written. Now it is clear now, all. Hello, ma. Is it clear my voice?
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Now write the statement of change of scale property. The statement is the basic definition of the Laplace transformation. The Laplace transformation is what we are getting here is L of A. So that is equals to F bar. Then what we need to show L of F A T. So that is equals to 1 by A into F bar of S. Is it clear? Now, what is the change of scale property? The basic definition of Laplace transformation only we can use, and we have to prove the change of scale property, that is L of F of t equals to F bar of S. Then L of F of A t equals to, when we are multiplying the A, already multiplied that variable A is a constant. Now that is in the RHS. What is the result? 1 by A into F bar of S by A. 1 by A into F bar of S by A. What is the Laplace transformation definition here? L of F of t equals to then L of F of A t equals to what? 1 by A. The constant is divided. Is it clear? Now into F bar of S by A. So this one is a formula. Change of scale property. Change of scale property. And the previous all problems we have to done by using the change of scale property. In the given examination, suppose they may arise a question about the change of scale property. They mentioned the method name. They mentioned the method name compulsory mark. Because of we are using the change of scale property, we can use the first shifting theorem, and also we can use the previous basic formulas also. For all problems, we have to do change of scale property. All these problems are belongs to the change of scale property. All those done by using the previous methods also. But what is the difference between the basic methods and the previous methods and change of scale property? This is the one of the method and property. We are using the Laplace transformation of the given variable t is multiplied some and all these to do by using the previous method also. But the given question paper, suppose the belongs to change of scale property is there, compulsory they mentioned the method name, change of scale property, find the Laplace transformation. Is it clear? Write down change of scale property, the first problem. Write down. First one, find Laplace transformation of find the Laplace of E of 3t, sin h3t, sin h3t, using change of scale property, change of scale property. Okay, now the solution. Change of scale property means what here? Change of scale property. T is multiplied with some constant. The one total of the constant is multiplied to the s. But in the s, we are going to substitute s by a. Now see here, L of e power of minus 3t into sin property. First of all, I'm going to take the given function. What is the given function right now? So this one, L of e power minus 3 into. Is it clear? So this is a given function. Now, see the function which is the f of function. E power of minus 3t is we are assumed as that is the exponential function. Now, which is the given? Which is given. But we have to assume the function first of all. Assume f of t depending on the given function. Always we have to take the function is, except the exponential function is the, we have the given function, that is the consider f of t equals to sin ht only, not in h3t, because of the constant is multiplied with the 3. So with the 3, okay, it is clear the constant is multiplied with the a. So this is f of at. When we are removing a, what we get here? F of t. Similarly, sin h3t is there. So which is what? F of 3t here. So similarly, what is f of t here? Sin ht. I am going to assume sin ht is the f of t. Is it clear? Immediately we are getting the f of t. Immediately you can apply the Laplace transformation. L of f of t equals to L of sin ht. Is it clear? What is L of sin ht? Direct formula is there. L of sin ht 1 by s square minus 1 square. So that is nothing but 1. L of f of t equals to f bar of s. Say this is equation number 1 completed. Right? Now, what we need to prove here? Sin h3t we need to find. Okay, now to find L of sin h3t. L of sin h3t.
మ్యామ్ కనిపిస్తలేదు మ్యామ్.
మ్యామ్ కింద కనిపిస్తలే మ్యామ్.
Now okay.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
పైన కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now to find L of sin h3t, that nothing but L of f of 3t here, right? F of t sin h3. Sin h3. Now we are going to find L of sin h3t. Is clear? L of sin h3t we need to find by using the change of property. Okay? Now by using change of scale property, what do we get here? See, L of f of at. So that is equals to what? 1 by a into f bar of s by a. Is it clear? What we need to find here? L of f of 3t, right? L of f of 3t we are going to find. Now the constant is 3. 1 by 3 into f bar of s by 3. Is it clear? I'm going to substitute just a value. A equals to 3. Now, okay, so that what we get here s by 3. So 1 by 3 into f bar of s by 3. What is the meaning of f bar of s by 3? We are going to substitute f bar of s in this place. I'm going to substitute s equals to s by 3. Is it clear? So that is 1 by s by 3 whole square minus 1. Just to substitute s equals to s by 3 in f bar of s, right? L of f of 3t is what here? L of sin h3t. Is it clear? So that is equals to 1 by 3 into, take LCM, here 9, s square by 9 minus 1. So 9 is the LCM, that is the denominator of the denominator. We can write in the numerator by LCM is s square minus 9. 3 3s are 9. L of sin h3t. So that's what we have, 3 by s square minus 9. So this one is completed. L of sin h3t. Now what we are going to find, this is the main problem here. Okay, now to find L of e power minus 3t into sin h3t. So this is of the form, see here, e Now it is clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Now to find L of e power minus 3t into sin h3t. Right? Now this is of the form first shifting theorem. L of e power of at into f of t. So what is the first shifting theorem? By first shifting theorem. So L of e power at into f of t. What is the first shifting theorem expressed here? L of f of t. We are going to substitute what here? S changes to s minus a. Is it clear? Now, in this place, we are going to compare the values. What is a value here? Minus 3. Okay, now in the place of f of t, what we have? Sin h3t. So L of f of t means what? F of t equals to sin h3t. L of sin h3t is what here? 3 by s square minus 1. Is it clear? Now, so that is equals to L of f of t. This is the first shifting theorem. We have to compare. So what we need to compare here? In the place of L of f of t. So this is sin h3t. L of sin h3t. So Here we need to change the TS value to what here? S changes to S minus of minus 3, S plus 3. Is it visible, ma, the last step?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is equals to L of sin H3t is what here? 3 by S square minus 1, and S is changes to S plus 3. So that is 3 by S plus 3 whole square minus 9. Is it clear? So that is L of e power minus 3t into sin H3t. So that is equals to what here? 3 by S plus 3 whole square minus 9. So this is a change of scale property. See here, the change of scale property means this one only here. This is the using of change of scale property. See, L of sin H3t. Already we have f of t equals to sin ht. So what is the Laplace transformation of sin ht? 1 by s square minus 1. This is the f bar of s. This is the related term. Sin h3t is related to sin ht. This is the basic formula. Right? Now we are going to find L of sin H3t is what here, which is of the form by using the change of scale property. The variable is multiplied with some constant. The constant is divided, and that is also the divided with the s in f bar of s. Right? Now L of f of 3t equals to 1 by 3. Constant is here 3. And we are going to substitute s by 3 in f bar of s, which is related to the basic formula of f of t. So that we are going to substitute s by 3. S equals to s by 3 in f bar of s, this one. Okay, na? 1 by 3 into 1 by s by 3 whole square minus 1. So this is a change of scale property only up to this. But the total problem is what here? L of e power of minus 3t into sin h3t. So that is of the form first shifting theorem. The exponential term is multiplied with any function, then we are go for the first shifting theorem. Right? Sin h3 already completed, ma. Sin h3t is 3 by s square minus 1. This is 3 by s square minus 1. But we have the exponential term is there. What is the exponential term here? E power of minus 3t. What is a value? Minus 3. Substitute in the place of s minus a. A is what here? Minus 3. Minus into minus plus here. S changes to s plus 3. 3 by s square minus 1. This is the L of sin h3t. So we are going to substitute 3 by s plus 3 whole square minus 1. So this is the total problem answer, which is the required. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we see the second problem? Write down fast. Completed, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the second problem. Find the Laplace transformation find the Laplace transformation of the given by scale property. Here, if L of f of t, so that is equals to 1 by s into e power of minus 1 by s. Then prove that L of okay, if L of f of t equals to 1 by s e power of 1 by s, then find L of f of 4t. Then find L of f of 4t, that is the 4. Which one is the 4? By using the scale property formula. Okay, now first of all, what is the given problem we have? This is the f bar of s. F bar of s, so that is equals to, because this is f bar of s, L of f of t. L of f of t. So that is equals to 1 by s into e power of minus 1 by s. Is it clear? Now, say this is equation number 1. To find, what we need to find here? Laplace transformation. For which one? By using the scale property to this one. Okay. L of f of 4t. Is it clear? Just I am using only the scale property. Listen carefully. To find L of f of 4t. Is it clear? By using the scale property. Now, here, we know that what is the scale property? L of f of at. So that is equals to what here? 1 by a into f bar of s by a. Is it clear? So that is can be written as L of f of at. Again, the given to find L of f of 4t. L of f of 4t is of the form L of f of at. So comparing both, which is of the form above. So just comparing here, a equals to 4. Then by using the here scale property, L of f of 4t. So we are going to substitute a value in this, 1 by 4 into f bar of s by 4. Is it clear? Now, f bar of s is what here by equation number 1, 1 by s into e power of minus 1 by s. Is it clear? Now put s equals to s by 4 in f bar of s. Is it clear? 1 by 4 into, what is the f bar of s here? 1 by s by 4 into e power of minus 1 by s by 4. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Now here, so 1 by 4 into s by 4. 4 is the denominator of the denominator. We can write in the numerator 4 by s into e power of, same as this one also, e power of minus 4 by s into, here this is what? S equals to s by 4. We are going to substitute in f bar of s. 4 get 1 by s into e power of minus 4 by s. So which is what here? L of f of 4t. So this is directly using scale property formula. In this, there is no previous problems and there is no extra first shifting theorems and second shifting theorems. Just we are using the scale property. Already we have L of f of t is there. We need to find L of f of 4t. Now, this is a constant here. Directly we can assume and directly we can write. What is that here? S equals to S by 4. S equals to S by 4. Substitute in f bar of s, and that 4 is multiplied with the f bar of s by 4. Is it clear? Hello, any doubts? Completed?
Over, ma'am.
Next problem. If L of f of t equals to 9s square minus 12s plus 15 by s minus 1 whole cube, find L of f of 3t using scale property. Clear? Tell me what we need to substitute in the place of s in the f bar of s. What is the constant here? A equals to 3. Right? Already we have the problem is there. L of f of t is there. What is L of f of t? Here L of f of t, which is nothing but f bar of s. Already we have f bar of s is there. So that is 9s square minus 12s plus 15 by s minus 1 whole cube. This is equation number 1. Here, now, what is the formula for change of scale property? 1 by a into f bar of s by a. So that is what? L of f of at. Now what we need to find here? To find L of f of 3t. Okay? By using scale property. Scale property. What it says here? L of f of at. So that is equals to 1 by a into what, ma? F bar of s by a. Is it clear? Again, L of f of 3t is of the form L of f of at. Now here a equals to 3 again. 1 by 3 into f bar of s by 3. Is it clear? Now again 1 by 3 into f bar of s by 3. So substitute s equals to s by 3 in the f bar of s. 9 into s by 3 whole square minus 12 into s by 3 plus 15 total by the denominator s by 3 minus 1 whole cube. Why we are getting here? S equals to s by 3 put in f bar of s. Is it clear? Now here 1 by 3 into Again take LCM in the numerator. What we get here, LCM 9 is the numerator. Minus 9 is the LCM. 3 3 is 9. 3 into 12 or 4, 36. 36 yes plus 9 into 15. What is the value of 9 into 15? 135 by total LCM is a 9 into this one is we have what we get here in the inner bracket. What is the LCM here? 9. 3 cube 27 by s minus 3 whole cube, right? 9 3s are 27 and 33 get cancelled. What is the remaining? We have 9s square minus 36s plus 135 by s minus 3 whole cube. So this is what? L of f of 3t using the scale property. Already f of t is there. L of f of t is there. Any doubts more? Now it is clear, no?
ఎన్నిసార్లు
Sorry, no. Getting call. Is it clear now? Hello?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Next problem, write down. Find now find L of sin t sin 5t. Find L of sin 5t by change of scale property. Find L of sin 5t by change of scale property. Tell me, how can we find L of sin 5t? We don't have any function of f of t here, but we need to take the f of t basic formula, right? Assume f of t, so that is equals to sine 5t, which is related to sine t. Is it clear? Now, here, what we need to find, immediately find the Laplace. L of f of t equals to L of sine t. What is the formula of L of sine a t? So that is equals to a by s square minus a square. So in the place of a, we have only one is there. 1 by s square minus 1. L of f of t,
Yes, sir.
so that is 1 by
Ma'am.
s square minus,
Plus madam sin 80 formula. A by s square plus a square.
s square plus a square, right? Sin 80, L of sin 80 equals to a by s square plus a square. Now L of sin t, a equals to 1 here, 1 by s square plus 1. F bar of s equals to 1 by s square plus 1. Why we are taking f of t equals to sin t? Sin 5t, which is related to sin t. This is a basic formula. We have to choose from the basic formula only. We are getting f of t. Immediately, how to find which one here? We need to find the L of t. Is it clear? By using the scale property. We know that change of scale property. What is the change of scale property? Here, L of f of a t. So that is equals to 1 by a into f bar of s by a. When we have the f bar of s is there. Now, L of sin 5t, which is of the form L of f of a t. So that is equals to what? Here a equals to 5. Is it clear? 1 by 5 into f bar of s by 5. Now, again put s equals to s by 5 in f bar of s. Okay, now? In f bar of s. So, what is f bar of s here? See this one. So, 1 by 5 into 1 by s by 5 whole square plus 1. So that is equals to 1 by 5 into, and take the LCM in the denominator is a 25. 25 denominator we can write in the numerator, that is s square plus 25 is the LCM. So 5 5 is 25. 5 by s square plus 25 is what, ma? L of sin 5t, which is using of change of scale property. Okay. Suppose alternate method. What is a given? L of sin 80. So that is equals to what? A by s square plus a square. Simply L of sin 5t. So that is equals to what? In the place of a, what we have 5 is there. So s square plus 5 square. So that is a 25. This is a direct by using the basic formula. Same, we are finding the L of sin 5t by using the scale property. This much of procedure is there. Okay, by using of the basic formulas, we are getting all these problems, solutions. But what is the purpose of change of scale property? 1 by a is multiplied to the f bar of s by a. What is f bar of s by a? How can we get the f bar of s by a? We are going to substitute s equals to s by a in the f bar of s. This is a change of scale property, and all problems we have to do and we should done by using the previous methods also. But this is a special method, change of scale property. Is it clear? Any doubts? Okay, ma? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma? Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mute your calls. Next one. Find the Laplace transform of find Laplace of e power of minus 3 into I e power of minus 3 into sine 3t by scale property. What we need to find? First of all, we need to find this one. Here we have e power of L of e power of minus t into sine 3t. Beautiful concept. L of e power minus t into sine 3t.
ముందు అంతకంత పడుతుందిగా
Now, here we need to prove L of minus t into sine 3. It is clear. This one we need to find here. Okay, but in this, we are going to apply the first. The function is multiplied with the exponential. Okay, is it clear? Clear, but we have not multiplied sine 3t. Assume what we need to assume here, f of t equals to sine t. Here, again, L of f of t equals to L of sine t. What is L of sine t? 1 by s square plus a square. Here, completed. We are getting more. For any problem, we need to find the Laplace transformation, and that is about. Now we are going to find sine. Clear? Now to find L of sine 3t by using a scale property. We are not using the scale property. For this function only we are using the scale property. Okay, we use the scale property. What is the scale property? It says here L of f of a t. So that is equals to 1 by a s bar of s by a. What is a value here? 3. A equals to 3. Now L of sine 3t. So that is equals to 1 by 3 into s bar of s by 3. Is it clear? S bar of s is 1 by s square plus 1. Clear? That is 1 into 1 by 3.
మ్యామ్ వీడియో రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్
చేయండి సెట్ చేస్తాను.